Hi, my name is Chris and I have some great products that we're going to show you today from Bikehand. Bikehand is a company that has been making bike tools for more than 25 years.
Next we've got the next level up. This is the YC728. Comes in a great carry case. I'm just going to open it up and I'll just show you what you get for your money. Now we'll just run through the stuff here. We've got a chain breaker, Shimano crank dust cover remover. We've got a blade screwdriver which you can turn around and use as a Phillips head as well. We've got a set of heavy duty tyre levers. These are fantastic. We've got a crank nut spanner. Set of Allen keys from 2mm up to 6mm. We've got a 8mm Allen key with an adapter for a 1/2 inch. We've got the 15mm pedal spanner with a 15 and a 14 on the other end. Then we've got the chain whip. We've got an external bottom bracket spanner to remove the cups. A set of cone spanners, 14 to 16 and 13 to 15 on the other end. We've got a crank pulling spanner. We've got an internal bottom bracket. And we've got a spanner to remove the lock nut on a cluster. We've got spoke key, a small repair kit, another Torx key, and a small bladed screwdriver. All fits into this carry case. Great value.
I hope you have enjoyed this video and the products that we have shown. If you need any more information on the products, then go to bikehand.com.